Hi everyone, welcome to the January unboxing video. This month's theme is the Geometric Glam box. And another little joke in here this time. And we have lots of little goodies here. So we have the Joya Mia Sparks. This is the really, well, sparkly gel polish from Joya Mia. If you haven't tried it, it's awesome. It almost has like flakes of glitter in it, so it's extra shiny. The gel color Lover's Lane from Light Elegance. This one's really popular. It's black with a little bit of a silver sparkle in it. We have Buff is the Stuff from WhatsUp Nails. If you haven't tried this stamping polish yet, you really need to. It's very opaque. I'm sure you've seen, I've been using it in my videos all the time. It has awesome coverage. It has a little bit of a longer dry time, which is actually nice because you don't have to move quite so fast with your stamps. And then from UberChic Beauty, we have the Basic Shapes #1 plate. So you got all sorts of circles and triangles and lines, diamonds, those kind of things on here if you are not confident with your striping skills with a brush. Makes it a lot easier. And then we have a bunch of little, I guess, 3D decal kind of things. So there's some triangles, some rectangles, some lines, and some little squares in gold and silver. And then last but not least, we have Nail Basics Build. This is the thickest of our 3 building gels. Flex being the thinnest and Flexure being the mid viscosity of the 3 of them. I'll show you a couple different ways you can do sort of geometric stuff using Build as well.